Hey guys, if you watched my New Tool Monday 2, you saw that I ordered a 72-inch root grapple bucket for my John Deere tractor from Titan off of Amazon, and it showed up with a damaged cylinder. Got a hold of them, sent them pictures, and it took about 3 weeks. They've finally gotten me my cylinder today. Unfortunately, they're missing the grease fittings that were also missing on the grapple. I'm gonna go up and get the grapple out of my shop and put this new cylinder on. Now, there aren't any instructions that came with the cylinder, but it's pretty straightforward. I can see that once I remove the cylinder, this jaw will be able to drop down. So to keep it from doing that, I'm going to put a board under here to keep it from falling all the way. I had to have these hydraulic lines made to connect from the hoses that came with the grapple to the quick couplers that are on the tractor. When I bought them, they didn't have quick couplers in stock, so I've just got these unions holding them together for now. Eventually I'll build a bracket that goes on the loader arm so that I can just disconnect them right here, make it simple. But for now, to make sure everything's working, we're going to use zip ties. Spare parts. Now this right here is why I went with the 2-jaw design that Titan has. The jaws close independent of each other. They're all on the same hydraulic circuit, but they're able to close independently and put equal pressure on whatever size object that they're grabbing. At the end of the day, guys, I think this thing is going to be awesome. It's going to do everything I need it to. I think it's built well. I'd be lying if I said I haven't been disappointed in the way that this whole purchase has gone. The shipping issue, that could have been solved with a little bit better packaging. It's really scantily clad, for lack of a better term, to be shipped. But I emailed twice asking specifically to make sure that they included the grease fittings that were missing. Was told certainly, no problem. And now I've got to run to Napa and spend $3 and a half an hour to get the grease fittings that I need. Nonetheless, I've got it now. It's together. Stick around. I'm going to be putting this thing through the paces. I've got lumber, I've got logs, I've got brush, I've got all kinds of things for this thing to do. So stick around, and thanks for watching.